At Mason Modern, our advisors understand that family is dynamic and full of change. That is what makes Denver's Cherry Creek North neighborhood great for those seeking refinement, convenience, and a breadth of style and taste. From public and private schools to live, work, play amenities, a Cherry Creek North lifestyle can simplify how you enjoy the metropolitan Denver area. Whether a home becomes a full mid-rise concierge experience or a private townhome with ample living and balcony space, Mason Modern agents are your knowledgeable resource when making the move to Denver's Cherry Creek North. Reach us today, online, or by phone.